Hello guys, today I will show you how to cook our Kachin traditional chicken meals. So this kind of meal is so famous in our Kachin states. So now I think you really want to know how to cook. So let's get started. So now we need this plastic glove and then this. So all ingredients will be pumped in here. So let's get started. So now we put the chicken into the pot and then earlier we put that it's and then we need to add salt and pepper and then turmeric powder, mustard, our traditional pepper. We mix together. After we mix, we need to add just a little wine. Let's cook our meal. Okay, we need to wait just 2 or 3 minutes. So now after 5 minutes, so we can add this winter melon. So now we need to put some water. So now the winter melon and the chicken are also cooked well. And then we need to put in the plate. Okay, now we need to put some cilantro.